everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. Today I'm going to be doing a product review with the Williams Sonoma Electric Griddle that I purchased that I'm real happy with, so I thought I'd share it with you. But in the process, I'm also going to share with you a recipe for some very fluffy buttermilk pancakes, and we are going to try frying up some bacon and frying some eggs with this product. I was very happy with it, so I'm going to take you step by step into how I used it. Hopefully that gives you some insight if you would like to purchase one. I will leave a link down in the description box below. This is not a sponsored product, guys. This is my own money that I use. I used my own money to purchase this product. I like to check things out and share them with you to see if it's worth the buck. If you are new here, welcome. I sure hope you consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell, and you will be notified every time I upload a video. If you are a regular here, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I know you have lots of choices. I appreciate you. Let's go ahead and get started with this product review and some fluffy blueberry buttermilk pancakes. Say that fast 3 times. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, we are going to start off this product review. I have purchased this Williams Sonoma. There's the brand right there, and it's an electric griddle. It's a 10.5 by 20-inch griddle. Okay, it's 1500 watts. I am going to give this a try. I had been wanting to buy one. This had very good reviews. We are going to cook up some bacon, and I'm going to tell you a few of the details of this product, and we're going to see how it works. Okay, the first thing that the book states is for you to give the griddle a wash with some soapy water and rinse. I took off the tray. This has a drip tray for bacon, which is absolutely a big plus in my eyes. Now, I'm not crazy about the fact that it is plastic. That was the only thing that I didn't like about it. It comes with its cord. We're going to unravel this, and it claims in the instructions not to use it directly on your countertops, to add a buffer, a heat pad, or something not directly touching. You can, but not all countertops withstand the heat of this. So you plug it in here, and it states to plug this in first and then plug it to your wall directly. Do not use any kind of extension cord, and do not let the cord hang off the side of the table. Okay, it's in the off position there. We're gonna cook up some bacon. I have some bacon here that I'm going to cook up, and we're going to make pancakes. So the bacon, it states to put it at 350 degrees, and I will say this thing is warming up very fast. I can already feel the heat, which is a plus. I guess the light will turn on as soon as it hits its proper temperature. I love the size of this, that it's not too small. It does have this big drip tray right here for the bacon. That was one of the main reasons that I bought this griddle, was because of this huge drip tray. And then it falls ultimately into this. You can pour it out. So I thought that was a big plus. This thing is heating up very fast, guys. That's impressive. Okay, we are ready to roll. You can feel the heat. It does state in the booklet not to use metal on this non-stick surface. You know, pretty obvious, but some people don't know. So I am going to use these plastic tongs. Okay, I am going to use my hand. This is for us, my family, so don't freak out with that. We like very thin bacon. Listen to that. Wow. Pretty nice. This is cooking up this bacon really fast. Took the whole package of bacon, 12 ounces. It looks like it's cooking up pretty evenly. It seems like the heat is pretty well distributed. I'm going to start turning over this bacon. You can already see where the grease is dripping down into the tray here, which is a big plus. Nobody wants grease all over their countertop. Alrighty guys, it's been a few minutes, a couple of minutes. I love the way this thing is cooking up the bacon, very even. I don't see any hot spots or anything that's uneven as of yet. So far on the bacon, it's doing very well. So I'm going to turn this over again. I think it's been under 10 minutes, so that's pretty good timing for bacon. Look at that. Wow. Now the grease is dripping down, which is a good thing. I'm going to try to throw some of this off of here. Look at that bacon cooking up nicely. It's gonna be nice and crispy. Look at that. Can y'all smell that bacon? Let me know. I wish you could. It's making me really hungry right now. Okay, I'm gonna start removing some of this bacon. Put it on the plate. I'm going to lower the temperature just a little bit. It seems like the bacon, once it got going, it got going. And look at how pretty that bacon looks. Beautiful. All right, we're going to turn this off. I turned it off. It seems to be cooling down pretty fast. Okay, guys, and look at that bacon. No burnt spots. For the bacon, I really, really like it. The grease is falling down into the grease container here. I wanted to show you the grease tray down here at the bottom before we shut this portion off. I don't want to remove it completely. Let me put a towel there. It did catch a lot of the grease. Very nice positioning for this. I'm going to put it back because I'm going to spill it. I think it works really nice. For the bacon, I give this a big thumbs up. Let's move on to the pancakes. Okay guys, I'm going to share with you my recipe for buttermilk pancakes. I have my flour here. We're going to add some baking powder. I will leave the recipe listed below. Some baking soda and some sugar. This is a real quick recipe, but real nice. Real fluffy pancakes. We're gonna give this a whisk. You're gonna keep your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients separate from each other to start. You don't wanna overbeat this batter. You just wanna fluff it up. Make sure everything is incorporated real nicely, just like that. Now let's move on to our wet ingredients. Set this aside. Okay, I have my buttermilk. I'm going to drop in 1 egg, 1 large egg, and some vanilla extract. Just about a teaspoon or so. A little more if you like vanilla, like me. Take your whisker, break up that egg, give it a good mix. So you want to do all the beating in this container, not when it's all incorporated, because you want some nice fluffy pancakes. Okay, now we're going to mix everything together. You're going to drop in your butter, your melted butter, all that goodness in there. And then we're going to drop in our wet ingredients. I'm not going to throw it all in at once. Start to mix it. Don't get too aggressive with it. Okay, it's tightening up, so I know I'm going to need more. It's okay if you still see lumps. That's okay. That's what gives you fluffy, fluffy pancakes. So you just kind of want to fold it in there like that. It's okay to have lumps. Okay, and that's it. You don't want to overwork it. I'm going to bring you up close so you can see what I mean by there's still lumps. I hope you can see that. There's still some lumps in there, and we're gonna cover this and let it sit for about 10 minutes, okay? And then we're gonna turn on our griddle and check out our pancakes on the griddle. I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna share with you how I like to prepare syrup for my pancakes. Now, I'm not gonna use all of this in one sitting, of course, unless you have a bigger family. You can store this in the refrigerator. The first thing I'm gonna do is melt the butter. Melt all this butter. And then you pick the syrup that you like. And you can use a combination of syrup. I love this Maple Guide bourbon barrel aged syrup. I love this stuff. Sometimes it could be a bit strong, so I'll mix it with our typical Aunt Jemima syrup or the sugar-free syrup, whatever syrup you like. And if you like to mix and match syrups, go ahead and do that. It works well with this recipe. Okay, now that this is melting, I am going to add my syrup in here. And then I mix it up a little bit with this one. And then you just let the butter melt. You can drop your fruit in here. Like if I'm having blueberry pancakes, I will throw some blueberries in here. Okay, and that's it. You just wait for all that butter to be melted and you're good. And on this one, I think I'm not gonna add the blueberries because I am gonna probably store some of this in the refrigerator. So we'll just keep it like that, turn off the heat, and we're done with the syrup. Okay, let's move on to the pancakes. Okay, the pamphlet says to turn on the temperature to 400 degrees. It seems a bit high, but I'm gonna do what they say. and then I'll adjust it if I think it's not, if it's too hot. So we are gonna make blueberry and regular pancakes today. Blueberry is my favorite. The batter did thicken up just a little bit, then don't be touching it. I don't stir it up at all. I just leave it alone. So I'm gonna set it back here on the side, and I have my blueberries that I've already rinsed right here, some giant blueberries. Delicious. I did not wash this again after the bacon. All I did was hit it with the napkin and just wiped it off with the napkin. I didn't think it was necessary. All right, here we go with the pancakes. It's pretty hot. I can feel it. Make the pancakes whatever size you want. Pop in my blueberries. Okay, and then it says to move them around if you have to. I don't think they're quite ready. Oof, they look beautiful. Almost. Okay, I think they're ready to flip. Very nice and golden brown. I think I got this one too close. We're going to move him over. Press these down just a little bit because of the blueberries. Nice. Very nice. I love the way they're cooking up. This one had a little mishap. No biggie. Look at that. Beautiful. Love it. Nice. I think these turned out beautiful. The color is nice. I am going to wipe this down before I put some more because of the blueberry stains. Beautiful pancakes. Look at how they're fluffing up, so pretty. Very nice. I really love this griddle, guys. I'm impressed. It says to turn them around to make sure they're getting even heat. Okay, these are ready. Look at that. How beautiful. Even cooking all the way around. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at how pretty these are. And the recipe is really good, guys. I'm just wanted to share both things with y'all today. Okay, guys, let's move on to the eggs. All right, guys, we're going to start with the eggs. Now, the instruction booklet did not give me temperature, so I'm just going to wing it, put it at 300 degrees. I am going to add just a little bit of oil here and here, and we'll see how this works. I don't think it's going to be bad. Let's see. A little bit of salt. No sticky. Looks pretty good, guys. Looks like a nice fried egg. Okay, and there we go. Everything looks pretty good, guys. I mean, and look at the griddle, nothing sticks. So I'm gonna give this a good review. Okay, everybody, that's going to conclude the video. I hope I gave you some good insight as far as this product. I really enjoyed it. Like I said, it is not a sponsored video. I purchased this with my own money just to let you know how I liked it. Maybe you're looking for one yourself, and I'm just being totally honest. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for today. I will talk to you soon. Bye.